This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, July 26th. I'm Michael Groff. Yesterday in the valley, a high of 102 degrees, still 4 degrees below normal. It was humid, but the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere were drying out, and that trend will continue today, so chances of showers and thunderstorms will be confined to mainly the mountains north and east of Phoenix. For the weekend, it looks like the moisture returns and chances of showers and storms will come back into the picture. And for next week, some forecast uncertainty. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at 4:25 a.m. Mostly clear skies in the valley. And yes, it's warm and steamy out there. 84 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 70. Relative humidity 62%. The winds are light. The barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area this morning, mainly in the low and middle 80s here in south central Arizona. Satellite shows some clouds across northern Mexico. Here in southern Arizona, generally clear skies. The watch warning map has some heat advisories in the nation's midsection again from parts of Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, and Iowa. On the convective outlook, a slight risk of severe storms across parts of Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois with a marginal risk for the adjacent states. Also a marginal risk north and west of the state across parts of Nevada and Oregon. And the tropics in the East Pacific will continue to look at this. 3 storms still out there. Greg is just holding on to tropical storm status way out there, almost off of this view, heading toward Hawaii, but it will not make it there. Then there's Hurricane Irwin and Hurricane Hilary, which is getting better organized. A Category 2 hurricane as of this morning. Maximum sustained wind still at 105 miles per hour. Strengthening is expected over the next 24 to 48 hours. It will become a major hurricane by that point. And according to the National Hurricane Center, still keeping it on a generally west-northwesterly track for the next several days. Let's look at some of the modeling. This is the European 51-member ensemble. And generally speaking, the ensembles take it out to sea. A couple of them do curve the circulation center towards Southern California. Another one takes it into the northern Baja and here into Arizona, but I would not count on that scenario. But of course, we'll keep our eye on this. Let's check out the models, see what they have to say for our weather. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. High pressure generally east of the state, elongated more west to east, so the flow in the mid and upper levels is generally south-southwesterly. That is not a bone-dry flow of air, so the humidity levels will come down, but not significantly. But it's not a favorable steering flow for getting showers and storms into the valleys. So today, partly cloudy skies, slightly less humid by this afternoon, but it's still going to be uncomfortable. Highs 102 to 105. Chance of showers and storms, again, confined to the mountains north and east of Phoenix. Tonight, mostly clear. We'll have lows in the upper 70s to middle 80s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and a little bit warmer with highs 105 to 108. And a very slight chance of showers and storms in the southeast and east central part of the state. On Friday, slightly better chances of showers and storms as the high builds back toward the north. The flow aloft turns more out of the east and southeast. So showers and storms that develop across southeast Arizona will be pushed toward the deserts once again. So we'll say a 20% chance of showers and storms on Friday evening. Saturday, the rain chances pick up just a bit further and could be aided by a potential upper level disturbance or an inverted trough. The models have been showing a more active pattern with several little perturbations moving around this area of high pressure. So we could see an enhancement of showers and storms over the weekend. Temperatures will be coming down as humidity levels come up. We'll be in the upper 90s to about 102 on both Saturday and Sunday, with about a 30% chance of showers and storms. There you see Hilary on this run of the GFS, well west of the Baja, and won't have any significant impact on our weather. Here's Monday, the GFS showing Hilary headed toward the southern or central California coast and maybe even injecting some high-level moisture that direction. Here, our monsoon chances will continue with chances of showers and thunderstorms each afternoon and evening. But as we go toward Tuesday, the forecast gets a little bit murky. The models show at least some semblance of drying setting in with, again, a south-southwesterly flow setting up. How much drying actually occurs and if it happens at all is still a bit of a question mark, but for now, at least a low-grade monsoon is expected to continue with a slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms. Temperatures will warm back up just a bit toward about 102 to 106. Here's a week from today, Wednesday, the 2nd of August. High pressure over southern New Mexico or northeast Mexico. So south-southwesterly flow aloft. and that should generally keep the thunderstorm chances minimal here in the valley. Better chances again in the mountains north and east of Phoenix. Highs 103 to 107. Pretty much the same thing for Thursday the 3rd, and for the end of the forecast period, this is Friday the 4th of August. High pressure not in a favorable location to bring moisture into the southwest states. Kind of sitting right over top of us or just to our west. So generally a dry flow of air here in the southwest states. And that's if this verifies. This is still 10 days out and a lot can change between now and then. Looking at temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble, we'll keep it at about or maybe even below normal levels this weekend, but then temperatures should warm at least somewhat by next week and through the following weekend. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes back here tomorrow morning. Really appreciate you watching as always. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Be safe, stay cool out there, and have a great Wednesday.